Hey guys, and welcome to Marketing by Marketers. Today I'm going to show you how to get multiple YouTube channels off of one email. It's super simple. I'm going to do it super quick. So if you like efficiency, please like and subscribe for more of the same. So click on your logo at the top right hand side. Go down to Creator Studio. From there, you want to go back up to your face, click it again, and go to YouTube settings. Then when you're here, you need to go down to create a new channel, click that, and bada bing, bada boom, you go through that process and you'll create a new channel. Super simple, really useful. One technique that you might want to avail of is using multiple YouTube channels to like, comment, share from your main channel and get some sort of SEO juices flowing back to it. This is an effective way to gain views and get subscribers. So if this video has been helpful for you, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments below and I definitely will get back to all of them. This has been Marketing by Marketers and I'll talk to you soon.